Good morning, students. So, here we are going to see the second part of chapter 15, our body. So, for that, you have to open page number 88 of your textbook. Now, we'll start with the second part. See the first point what we have. Can you tell? There are a few questions what we have here. The first one we have, how will you walk without bending your legs at the knees? So, the normal walking gait for a human includes bending the knees. It would be highly difficult to walk without bending our knees. The next one we have, can you comb your hair without bending your arms at the elbow? So, we cannot do any movements of arms or legs easily without bending the limbs at the joints such as a knee or elbow. So, we have the points. See the first one, movements of the body. See this first, try to bend a wooden stick. Can you do so and why not? As you can see here in the pictures, there are the two boys, one who is picking the wooden stick and who is trying to bend it. But it is not possible to bend a wooden stick because a wood is a hard or you can see a solid thing which we cannot bend it. The next one point we have, suppose that our legs and arms also could not bend, would be able to make movements. It is not possible to make any movements if our legs and arm will not bend it. So that is not possible to make any movements here. See the next one. Some of our body parts can bend. That is why we are able to make movements. Yes. Of course, there are some body parts who is bending. So for the then we are able to make the movement. Now which are the body parts we are having here down? Which parts of our body can we bend? So there is one activity we are having here. Try this activity. See the point? Stand in front of the mirror and move your neck as shown in the pictures. So we have the activity about a neck. So the point is here, the neck can bend. As you can see here in a picture, there is a one girl. The neck can be bent forward and backward. As you can see here in a picture. The second one picture we have the boy. It can turn left or right as well as straight. It can be straight. You can turns left or it can be turn right. The next one picture we have the girl. It also bends left and it also bends right. There is a difference you have to understand here. The first one what we have the boy, it turns left and it turns right and also bend left and also can bend to the right. So neck can be bent forward, backward, left, turns left or right, or it can bend left to right. Now there is one more part we have here which can be bent. We have the arms. So first we'll do the reading. We can bend our arms at the shoulder, elbow and wrist. The fingers of our hands can be bent too. That is why we can make a fist. We can do many things with our hands. We use our hands to write and to pick up things. Mother shapes a laddu with her hands. Baby holds the rattle in her hand. Now look at the pictures. We have some pictures over here. We can bend our arm at the shoulder, elbow and wrist. Shoulder, elbow and wrist can be bent in a different ways. Now which are these ways? That is why we can make a fist. We can do many things with our hand as well. Now which are these things? We can write with the help of our hand. We can pick the things with the help of our hands. The fingers of our hands can bend too. So with the helping of the fingers can bend. The mother is giving shapes to the laddu as you can see here in the pictures. So here also we have the one picture. The baby is playing with the rattle and is holding that things in her hand. She's holding the things in her hand. So with the help of our arms, we can do the lot of movements as you can see here in the picture. Now, as you have seen about the neck and arms, how they can bend it, there are more body parts which can be bended. About that, we will discuss in the next session. I hope you have understand about this page. You must have to try this activity in your home. Just stand in front of the mirror and try to make the movements with the help of your with the neck. So this is for today's session. I hope you have understand about this page. Thank you.